Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem or the earphone jack problem in your device Xiaomi X4, POCO X4 Pro and X4 Pro 5G. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you are having any issue related to the headphone jack or the earphone jack of the device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device.